For now, we cross over to Parliament building, where the Departmental Committee on Justice and Legal Affairs spent the better part of the morning conducting the approval hearing of Shadrack Mose to the position of Solicitor General. And we shall now be linking up with our reporter Gladys Mongai for a detailed report. Gladys, kindly bring us to speed.
Good afternoon to you, Jackie. Like you rightly put it, we are live from Parliament buildings, where a couple of departmental committees from the National Assembly, as well as standing committees when it comes to the Senate, have been holding sittings today since morning. They've been able to meet various cabinet secretaries as well as nominees. And one such cases is the Jailer Committee of the National Assembly, that is the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee, that was today in the morning vetting the nominee for the position of Solicitor General. And the nominee is none other than Shadrack Mose. And a couple of issues arose during that particular morning sitting, where the nominee was tasked to explain how he is going to ensure that he acts objectively, irrespective of the fact that he is an affiliate member of the United Democratic Alliance Party, as well as the appointing authority. So members of Parliament really wanted to understand whether he will be holding the spirit of the Constitution in regards to him dispensing his duties. Another issue is the aspect of the office of the Attorney General having lost its glamour. MPs comparing the office of the Attorney General now and when it was held by the late Charles Jonjo. And he was tasked to explain to the committee how he's going to ensure that the office of the Solicitor General as well as the office of the Attorney General, which work concurrently, get to show that it is an independent and a powerful office compared to what has been witnessed in the previous year. Lastly, the nominee for the Solicitor General position, Honorable Shadrack Mose, was tasked to explain why students emerging from law schools have not been performing very well, and he spoke about decentralizing the Kenya School of Law to ensure that various students from across the country are able to access law studies across the country. Lastly, we had the Cabinet Secretary for Labour, Honorable Florence Bore, who appeared before the National Assembly Committee specifically to explain the measures the government is putting in place to ensure that a number of Kenyans who have lost lives in Saudi Arabia get justice. And what the Cabinet Secretary told members of Parliament is that the government will be vetting agencies across the country before they issue licenses for the agencies to be enrolling Kenyans to get to work in Saudi Arabia. That is not all, Jackie. In the afternoon sitting, we have both houses of the bicameral Parliament sitting, and we'll be relaying to our members of the public what will be transpiring at the National Assembly as well as at the Senate. Back to you, Jackie.